What's up guys, this is Anthony V back here for another vlog. You just do me a favor and push that subscribe button, and then I'm going to get right into this episode because we have a lot to go over today. Alright, first off, I'm going to start with my old TSG Pass helmet. I bought this helmet at the end of, I think, 2017, around 2018. I have already replaced a visor because it comes with a chrome visor on it. It also comes with a replaceable clear visor. So if you want to ride at night, you can put that visor on as well. All you have to do is unclamp these, you kind of screw them out, take the visor off, put the other one on. It literally takes minutes to do. Now this helmet right here has a lot of things added onto it. As you can see, it has the top mount for the GoPro. It also has the side mount right here when I had a side mount for a GoPro. I also have a Shred Light Gen 2 that kind of messed up. So I took it off of my board and just put it on here. So whenever I turn my head, the light is following my vision, which is pretty nice. But as you can see, it has some dings on it. I mean, this is 2.5 years of riding, so I have used it. This right here is called the t-conn, basically the t-conn Bluetooth. I have one on here. I bought one for my girlfriend right here, the new one, as you can see, the aux plug. And I'm going to put this Bluetooth on here because the main thing is when I like to ride, I want to hear music. But then again, you don't want to wear like headphones because they're actually in your ears and they will obstruct like the volume of the ambient noise around you, and you kind of want to know your surroundings. I'm going to do a play-by-play walkthrough of how to install these because honestly, some people have told me before I got them that they were really hard. Once I did it, I really didn't think it was that difficult. It's just one of those things, if you've never done it before, it might take a little time. With that being said, let's get right into it. So this is what it should look like at the end, right here, okay? This little button turns it on. You can see right here. Right there, it's on, okay? Now you push it again. Turns it off. Now these buttons over here do a lot of things. One, if you push this when a call is coming in, it'll automatically answer the call. If you don't do anything for 15 seconds, it will automatically answer the call. If you hold on it for 2 seconds, it will cancel the call. And then you push it again after you're done talking, whoop, and then that one helps end the call. Now for music, when you're listening to your Bluetooth music, you want to turn the volume up, just turn it this way and hold it until you get to the right volume setting, or you can turn it this way and turn it down. Okay, if you want to skip songs really quick, like that, it goes forward or backwards, okay? This connects Bluetooth to your phone, and that's another reason I got it, because I wanted something that was wireless. This is literally what it looks like inside before I put it inside this. So you have two, as you guys can see, you have two speakers for your ears, and then this right down here is a microphone that comes in under the jaw plate of the helmet, so you can talk to other people. I will put a link in the description where you can go find these. And right now I'm just unwrapping it, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to install them. And guys, they're really not that hard, but I've heard some people have had problems before. These helmets have one of these D-ring locks. I really hate these. It takes forever to lock them in, loop them, come back. I wish they had a buckle lock, but whatever. You can switch it out if you want to. First, we're going to take off the side cheek pads. Now, this also comes with a front chin pad too. I opted to take mine out of my helmet because it just rubs on your lips and it just kind of feels weird. And then what you want to do is you want to take off the padding inside here. This all clips off, so if you can watch. Okay. Boom. Now this is good. The reason why this is good, that all these can come out and wash them. One, they get thicker again, so they'll get all padded up again. So if you feel like your pads are getting really thin, put them in the washer and dryer. Not to mention you've been sweating in the helmet, so it gets kind of gross. All right, guys, this is what the inside of the helmet should look like after everything is done. Now, what we want to do first is we want to get the Velcro sticky pads, and we want to place them in the right parts of the helmet, kind of right around where your ear is going to be. Right about here. only downfall will mess with your air ventilation on the side slightly, but it really is not that noticeable. Alright guys, I got down both of my stickies right here, as you can see. The other one's right there, okay? Now what we want to do is we want to place this in here. Guys, you also want to make sure that the wire from this is going to link up into the port right here. Okay, as you guys can see, I have one side of the headphones in, and then the mic comes down right here in front of the chin guard. Okay, so there's one. Okay, we have the other one in right here. Okay, both speakers. Now, the main thing is what I do is if you want to, you can tape these down inside. I personally don't because I want the wires a little loose. But all you have to do now is take this and plug it in, and then you just have to put the padding back on. Okay, got the two side cheek pads in. Alright guys, it is done. You can see here, and then right here the wire comes out and that connects right into this guy. Boom. Okay. I'm going to take this off. I hope you enjoyed the video. I mean, Eastgate's getting to the point where people really want to listen to music, and honestly, in my personal opinion, you don't want to be that asshole that's out there blaring your music so everyone else can hear it. So this is a really good option, in my personal opinion, to have some speakers in your helmet. And you can also hear sirens, you can hear the cars around you. I can still hear all the noise of people around me and my surroundings, so it's not that bad. And you can obviously tell this one's brand new. This one has a bunch of stuff on it. I will probably strip this one down and repaint it this week since I have a lot of free time, so we'll see how that goes. If you guys could just do me a favor, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.